How to delete 1xBet account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete 1xBet account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can't delete your 1xBet account from the app yourself. To delete your 1xBet account you have to contact the 1xBet support. Now to contact 1xBet support, open up Gmail or any of the email services that you use. Go to the compose screen. The address for 1xBet is support@1xbet.com. so I repeat, support@1xbet.com. I will also make sure to drop their email down below. This is the official email for the support of 1xbet. In the subject, just type in request to delete account. So you can just go ahead and then actually typing in this option here, type in request to delete account. And then once you have done that, in the email tab, just let them know that you would like to delete your account and provide them your proper username, because if you don't provide them your proper username, they will not be able to actually find out who is trying to delete their account. So make sure you provide them proper username or phone number linked with the account, and then you can just tell them to delete it, and then they will be able to delete the account for you. But for this, as I said, you have to contact the support team, and there is no other way so far. So hope this video helped you as to how you can delete 1xbet account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.